Very good afternoon, kids. I hope you all are doing well. In today's grammar class, we are going to cover Lesson 12 Auxiliary Verbs. We all know what a verb is also called an action word. But in today's class, we are going to study helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are also called helping verb. Words which help the main verb to frame the sentence are called auxiliary verbs. Words which helps the main verb, that is the action word, to frame the sentence is called auxiliary verb. Let's read some helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, shall, will, shall have, will have. These all are auxiliary verbs. But I want to tell you, let's read one sentence. She is writing a letter. In this, is an auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary verb, what will be the sentence? She writing a letter? Is it making a correct sentence? No. So my kids, auxiliary verbs helps the main verb. Main verb means action word to frame the sentence in the proper way. So I am trying to solve a problem. Trying is an action word. Before that, we have placed helping verb, that is am. Now let's come to the usage of auxiliary verbs. First, let's read the three auxiliary verb is, am and are. Use of is. We use is when it is singular noun. He, she, it. With these auxiliary verbs, certain uses are given below. Is used with he, she, it. For example, she is going to market. He is going to market. It is raining today. We know the rule of present continuous tense. Rule of present continuous tense is mr plus ing. Verb की first form plus an ing. Same here. She is writing a letter. Before action word we have placed is. And is किसके साथ लगता है? She के साथ, he के साथ and it के साथ. I am trying to solve my problem. ओके एम इज यूज विद आई के साथ हमेशा क्या लगता है? एम. आर इज यूज विद प्लूरल नाउन. वी, यू, दे. आर इज यूज विद वी, यू, दे. लाइक दे आर वेटिंग फॉर यू. इट इज प्लूरल नाउन. ऑल आर वेटिंग फॉर यू. यू आर कमिंग विद अस. क्या आप हमारे साथ आ रहे हैं? सो माई किड्स, is used with he, she, it. Are is used with we, you, they, plural noun. And am is used with I. Is, am, are should be used with verb ing for action. Action के लिए हमेशा is, am, are use होता है. And is, am, are plus verb plus ing is action. That is a present continuous rule. Okay. Now some sentences are there which does not have an action. For example, he is my best friend. She is my sister. There's no main verb. That is the statement. Okay. In that also we put these auxiliary verbs, but we have to keep in mind what it is being used. He के साथ क्या लगेगा? Is. I के साथ am. You के साथ are. So the rules that are given on the top, you have to keep them in mind. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Let's move further. Was and were. Was is used with singular object. He, she, it. It is used with past tense. Were is used for plural subject. That is you, we, they. Like she was reading a newspaper. It is past continuous tense में हम के लिए लगाते हैं ना. You were thinking about me. They were crossing the river. Was is used for singular subject in past tense and were is used for plural subject in past tense. Okay, kids? Other sentences in which there is no action word, then also we use was and were. For singular we use was, and for plural we use were. Okay, let's study the rule of has, have and had. Has is used with he, she, it and singular object. Has is used, kids, for singular object. For example, he has lost money. She has lost money. It has four legs. It has technical feature. So we are using has for singular object. Okay. Have is used with I, we, you, they. For plural subjects we use have. For example, we have lost our money. You have lost your money. They have lost their money. I के साथ, kids, it is not has, we use have. Okay, and had is used either in singular or in plural. Had is used in past tense. You can read the sentences. He has lost money. For singular subject we are using he. I have lost my money. For I, we are using have. We have lost our money. We is plural, so we are using have. So you have to keep in mind, is it singular or plural? So the rules that are given in the box, you have to keep them in mind. You can also see here present perfect tense rules are being used. In singular present perfect tense, we have using she has taken my pen. We are using third form of verb. You have lost your moral. They had prepared a plan. Past perfect. I have told you that had is used for past tense. You will have eaten your food. Future perfect tense. So you have to keep in mind, is it singular or plural? Okay. Let's move to do and does and did. Does is used for singular, for in present tense. He does his work on time. वो अपना काम टाइम पर करता है. सिंगुलर के लिए वी आर यूजिंग डज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. शी डज हर ड्यूटी ऑन टाइम. वो अपना ड्यूटी टाइम पर करती है. इट डज नॉट नो हाउ टू वर्क. उसको नहीं पता कैसे काम करना है. फॉर सिंगुलर और सब्जेक्ट किड्स वी यूज डज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस, एंड इन प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट वी यूज डू. वी डू आर work on time. They do their job properly. For plural subject kids we use do, and for I also we use do. Not the I does my work is not correct. I do my work on time is correct. In present tense, does is used with he, she, it in singular object subject. And for plural subject in present tense we use plural subject means when it is plural. Okay, I, we, you, they, all, we use these auxiliary verbs. Okay, let's read here. Did is used with any subject. It can be singular or plural, and it is used in past tense. I did everything in time. They did everything on time. So it can be used in plural as well as singular. I hope these rules are clear to you and their usage. In next class, we are going to study how to frame negative sentences using auxiliary verbs and interrogative sentence. I hope these usage are clear to you. If you face any query, you can ask me. Thank you.